kids, how are you? I hope that you will be happy and fine. Today we will read this chapter 4, pronouns. Let's start now. A pronoun. Today we will read this chapter 4. Let's start now. A pronoun is a word used in a place of a noun. जब नाउन के रूप में जिन चीजों को, जिन शब्दों को प्रयोग में लाया जाता है, उसी को प्रोनाउन कहते हैं. Pronoun helps avoid repetitions by replacing nouns. For example, Ekta did not come because she was bad. Ekta की जगह का क्या यूज किया गया? She. तो she क्या है यहाँ पर? Pronoun. Next is the books. Books के लिए that. The books are where you left them. Next है रोहित. रोहित के लिए यूज हो रहा है he. Rohit failed because he was careless. Next is this is Mohan. Mohan के लिए यूज हो रहा है he. He likes football. तो यहाँ पर he क्या है? Pronoun. जब सब्जेक्ट नाउन की जगह किसका? अभी पढ़ा था the pronoun is the word used in the place of noun. जब place of noun it's called a pronoun. Next, all the colored words are pronoun. Types of pronoun. Number first, there are the 9 types of pronoun. Number first, personal pronoun. Number 2, possessive pronoun. Number 3, emphatic pronoun. Number 3, interrogative, indefinite pronoun, distributive pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, reflexive pronoun, and the relative. First step, personal pronoun. What is a personal pronoun? A personal pronoun refers to a specific person or things. Personal pronouns are classified into 3 groups based on the point of view. Number first person, second person, and the third person. The first person is speaking, the second person being spoken, and the third person or things being spoken about. The various forms of the personal pronouns are पहले है persons, singular used in subject है I. Singular subject कौन सा होता है? I और we. Used किया जाता है I के साथ me और इसका object होता है we का object होता है us. उसी का possessive कैसे है? I का mine और we का our और इसका reflexive या emphasis के forms होती है my का myself, our का ourself. Used for both masculine and the feminine. I और we हम किसमें? masculine में और feminine में दोनों में यूज कर सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट है you. The use for both masculine and the feminine is called a you. You का object है you and इसका possessive case है forms है your and इसका reflexive forms है yourself. नेक्स्ट है नंबर 3 है सिंगुलर फॉर्म्स में he, she, it, they. he का ऑब्जेक्ट him, possessive his and reflexive himself जो केवल masculine के लिए यूज होता है. नेक्स्ट है she का ऑब्जेक्ट her और इसका possessive her and reflexive herself. इसका यूज होता है ओनली feminine में. नेक्स्ट है it का ऑब्जेक्ट it and इसका possessive its and the reflexive it that used for neuter. Next है they का object them और possessive their और reflexive themselves used है all gender. The nouns for which a person is stand is called is antecedents. So pronoun must match its accidents in terms of the numbers and the gender. Its term of number and the gender to ensure power to proper agreement. Next is number 2, interrogative pronoun. An interrogative pronoun is used to ask questions. For example, who told the poem? यहाँ पर क्रिएट हो रहा है questions. It's a interrogative pronoun. Number 2, what do you want? तो यहाँ पर क्या है? क्वेश्चन से क्रिएट है तो इट्स अ इंटरोगेटिव प्रोनाउन. Number third, whom do you want to go with? Let's say in the above sentence, who, what and who are used to ask questions. ऐसे शब्द जो सेंटेंस के साथ मिल जाए और क्वेश्चन की स्थिति क्रिएट कर दे, it's called the interrogative pronoun. They are called interrogative pronoun, who is the used for asking questions about persons and what is used for things. Next day, demonstrative pronouns. Demonstrative pronouns are used to point out the object to which they refer. For example, this is a big fort. This is your football, and these are the beautiful flower, and those are the her dresses. So the word this, that, those are used to point out the object. So they are called the demonstrative pronouns. This and that are singular, and these and those are plurals. This and these refers to things close by, and that and those refer to things further away. जैसे हमने बचपन में पढ़ा था, दिस और दैट का यूज अलग अलग तरीके, दिस का प्रयोग पास के लिए, दैट का यूज दूर के लिए, उसी का हम प्लूरल वर्ड्स है, दिस का दीज और दैट का दोज. तो दीज का यूज पुट्स पास में लिए और दोज का दूर के लिए. नेक्स्ट है पॉजिटिव प्रोनाउन. Possessive pronoun shows possession. For example, I won this car, it is mine. That boy is yours. That umbrella is hers, and that box is there. The word mine, yours, hers, and theirs indicate possessions. They are used in the place of nouns, the form of the possessive pronouns. यहाँ पर पर्सन है फर्स्ट, सेकेंड एंड थर्ड. पॉसेसिव एडजेक्टिव में सिंगुलर में आता है माई. माई का पॉसेसिव प्रोनाउन बनता है माई. प्लूरल में अवर है अगर, तो अवर का बनेगा अवर्स. सिंगुलर में योर है तो योर का पॉसेसिव प्रोनाउन बनेगा योर. और इसमें यदि प्लूरल में योर है तो उसका बनेगा योर्स. उसी प्रकार हिज का सिंगुलर है तो उसका पॉसेसिव बनेगा हिज और हर का बनेगा हर. उसी प्रकार प्लूरल का है देयर और देयर का पॉसेसिव है देयर्स. एंड नेक्स्ट नंबर 5, indefinite pronoun. Indefinite pronoun are those pronouns which refers to persons or things in a general way. They do not refer to any specific person or things. For example, number first है they were satisfied, and then somebody has stolen my watch. Next, none of these apples is right. And next, many of these fruits are rotten. तो यहाँ पर जब which refers किया जाता है persons को और things को, इसलिए जनरल वे में यहाँ पर क्रिएट होता है indefinite pronoun. Next, words like all, none, some, several, both, many, few, each, either, neither, anyone, everyone, and someone, somebody, everybody, nobody. Usually used as indefinite pronoun. Next, reflexive pronoun. When the action of the subject reflects upon itself, it is called a reflexive pronoun. For example, I injured myself. She blamed herself. They blamed themselves, and the child, it hurt itself. A reflexive pronoun is formed by adding selves or selves or suffix to some pronoun. Self is added to singular pronoun proper, and the self is added to plural personal pronouns. Number first is singular. Number column B indicate plurals. पहला है माई. माई में यदि हम सुफिक्स ऐड करेंगे सेल्फ, तो इसको ऐड करके बनेगा माई सेल्फ. हिम का सेल्फ ऐड करेंगे तो हिम सेल्फ. इट एड सेल्फ इज इक्वल टू इट सेल्फ. योर एड सेल्फ इज इक्वल टू योर सेल्फ. यदि हम इसी को प्लूरल देखेंगे तो our at selves is equal to ourselves. Their at self is equal to themselves and your at self is equal to yourself. This is how personal pronoun change to the reflexive pronoun. पहला सिंगुलर है एंड सेकंड प्लूरल. सिंगुलर में फर्स्ट पर्सन है, फर्स्ट पर्सन कहता है आई. आई और वी क्या होते हैं? आई और वी क्या होते हैं? हमारे सिंगुलर पर्सन होते हैं जिनमें आई का रिफ्लेक्सिव है माई सेल्फ और वी का रिफ्लेक्सिव है अवर सेल्फ. सेकंड पर्सन होता है यू. यू का रिफ्लेक्सिव है योर सेल्फ और पर्सनल है योर सेल्फ. उसी प्रकार है थर्ड पर्सन का पर्सनल है ही का हिमसेल्फ, शी का हर सेल्फ, इट का इटसेल्फ. और पर्सनल में जैसे प्लूरल में है दी का रिफ्लेक्सिव है themselves. Number 7, emphatic pronouns. Emphatic pronouns are those pronouns that are used for emphasis and have the same forms as reflexive pronoun. For example, you yourself like those shirts and we ourselves climbed the hill. Next, she herself told me about it and then we ourselves saw the. So, an emphatic pronoun cannot function as the subject. Next, distributive pronoun. The pronoun that refers to persons, place, or things. One at a time are called distributive pronouns. For example, each of them got a prize. Neither of them came to see him. And next, either or the two roads lead to Chennai. Words like each, neither, either are usually used as distributive pronouns. Next point है relative pronouns. The pronouns who, whose, whom, that, and which join two sentences and refer back to nouns going before that. They are called relative pronouns. Who, which, and that are the words most frequently used as relative pronoun. Who, whose, whom is used for personal only. For example, I meet John. John stood first in the class. Next day, I meet John, who stood first in the class. Which is used for things and animals for use. Who का यूज किसमें किया जाता है? इंसानों के लिए. कि जो मैं जॉन से मिला जो क्लास में फर्स्ट आया था तो उसके लिए यूज करेंगे हम who. इंसानों के लिए यूज करेंगे who. उसी प्रकार यहाँ पे थिंग्स और एनिमल्स के लिए यूज करेंगे which. तो जैसे हमें सेंटेंस है Sarla has found a bag, she had lost the bag. तो इसको कैसे बनाएंगे इंक्लूड? जब रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउन में Sarla has found a bag which she had lost. सरला को एक बैग मिला था जो उसने खो दिया. नेक्स्ट है that is used for both persons and things. Sentence है I know the hostel. Full stop. He lives in the hostel. मैं जानता हूँ कि वह हॉस्टल में रहता है. तो कैसे बोलेंगे? I know the hostel that he lives in. मैं जानता हूँ कि that on the P पर रहता है. Next, I have lost the ball. Full stop. My friend has given it to me. कैसे जोड़ेंगे इसको? कैसे? कंजक्शन की माध्यम से. कंजक्शन से ऐड करेंगे. I have lost the ball that my friend have given me. It is important to note that while relative pronouns join the two sentences, they also function as the conjunction also. For example, this is a girl. Full stop. See passed. तो कैसे करेंगे? This is the girl who passed. Girl क्या है? यह लड़की है जो पास. It's यहाँ पर हमने सेंटेंस को एक किया था कंजक्शन से, ना? It's this chapter will be completed. I hope that you understood well. Thank you.